Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Apple Maps and locating the shared ETA card. This is where Apple links location sharing to directions. Tap the person or route that shows the ETA, because the only way to stop sharing ETA is tied to that active share. Once you see the contact card, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID and that Maps is updated. This ensures settings changes propagate. Now, proceed to the share controls displayed on that card to change the sharing state. You'll now focus on the share options. Tap the contacts card to reveal buttons like Stop Sharing ETA or End Share. Apple requires you to end the active ETA share from this exact menu. Choose Stop Sharing ETA to stop live ETA updates for that person, because toggling device-level location won't remove the ETA link. Once done, Maps will update the share state in real time. Make sure to scan the recents or the conversation that requested ETA to confirm it's removed. You finish by confirming the change. Open the contact card and recents to see that ETA sharing is gone. If the ETA still appears, force close Maps and reopen, because temporary UI caching can mislead you. If that doesn't work, reboot your device to clear system caches. As a final troubleshooting step, sign out and back into your Apple ID to force a sync. This refreshes server-side sharing state. If problems persist, contact Apple support, but the only correct stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.